The Read 180 dashboard provides you with some great options for tracking your progress towards your goals and keeping you motivated. Let's start by looking at My Reports. In the My Reports section, you're going to see several graphs. The first one you'll see is session time. This lets you know how many minutes are you spending in the software when you log in. The current graph shows the last 5 sessions, or you can view the last 20 sessions. Remember, we want to be in this yellow area above 15 minutes. That's the goal. The next bar graph shows your total words read. It shows red words from Read 180 and gray words from Reading Counts or your independent reading. You want to see these growing. You can see the words from independent reading count a whole lot more than the words from the computer software. If we click this arrow, next we're going to our Read 180 Vocabulary and Comprehension Score report. You can see your average vocabulary score and your average comprehension score. This is the average for the whole school year. If you wanted to see just your current topic, you could click here. Remember, our goal is to be above 80%, so these bars should be at or above this line. Next, you see the progress report for your reading counts, your book quizzes. You can look at what your current Lexile is, how many quizzes have you taken, how many of those quizzes have you passed, and how many did you pass on the first try. A great little tool in this area is the Book Wizard. If you click on that, it'll give you some book suggestions based on your Lexile and your reading interests. So if you're not sure what you want to read next, this is a great thing to check out. And click one more time and it takes us to our last graph, the R Skills Progress Report. This lets you know how you're doing on the comprehension skills test that we take in the class. You can see your overall test score or see it broken down for vocabulary, comprehension, and conventions. The scores here are for this workshop, workshop number 2, or if you clicked here, you could see your average for all the workshops. Also, on each graph, you'll see this question mark. That will provide you with a verbal explanation of each of these bar graphs. So if you're in here and you're not sure what you're looking at, that's something you can click on for a little reminder. Once you've looked at your reports, you'll want to move on to your My Personal Best tab. In this tab, you can see what you've accomplished. The streaks show how many questions or words have you gotten correct in a row currently, and what are your best or your record numbers. It shows your high scores for vocabulary, comprehension, word challenge, and spelling challenge, and the trophies you've earned. If you want to see what you need to do to get to your next trophy, just click on one of the trophies. Here I can see my current trophy is 100,000 words. My next trophy is at 150,000 words, and at almost 140,000 words, I'm almost to that next trophy. So a great place to keep yourself motivated. And you can see here as well as you have those question marks if you need a quick explanation as to what this area provides. So the My Reports and the My Personal Best tabs help you monitor your progress, make sure you're on track, and give that little bit of motivation to let you know you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. As always, keep reading and succeeding.